I have a c-a2 error code on a Samsung wall oven, model NB51K6650. It happened after a self-cleaning cycle the next time it was used. I'm a general contractor and I believe I can do the repair if I can find out the procedure. Thanks.
The site will give an additional option to speak by phone, which you can ignore if you want. I don't send this, the site will send this automatically. This error you're getting means that your cooling fan behind the wall oven is no longer running up to speed. Unfortunately, if the issue didn't reset by turning power off for a minute, the cooling fan needs to be replaced. That will require uninstalling the oven from the cabinet and pulling it out so you can unscrew the back sheet metal panel in order to access the part. Below is a link to the cooling fan you'd need to order for your model. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
There are 2 fans inside the oven, visible through the glass door, and both are working at startup until the error code comes on and turns the oven off. Is the fan you are talking about a 3rd fan under the back panel?
Those are not the cooling fans. Those are the convection fans. The cooking fan is behind the entire oven. You can't see it until you pull the entire oven out and remove the back sheet metal panel.
Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.